Hi everybody, today we are going to create a personalized refrigerator magnet. First thing we're going to do is open up our blank canvas on Design Space. Next, on the lower left corner, we are going to click Upload because we want to upload our own image. Then we're going to click Upload Image, then Browse, and then you are going to select the photo that you want to use. In this case, I have mine saved in my Downloads folder. So I'm gonna upload this image right here. It's a Gundam. So I'm gonna go continue. And then I'm gonna do apply and continue. And I'm gonna go for flat graphic, which is great for print and cut, which is what we're gonna do. And I am going to upload it. Okay, so once we have our image uploaded to our canvas, you may or may not get a warning. So for me, I'm getting a warning that my image is too large, so we're going to make it a little bit smaller. Alright, looks like we are ready to proceed. Now, this is totally optional, but you can crop your image into a shape. As an example here, let's say I wanted rounded corners. I'm just going to insert a rounded rectangle. I'm going to resize it. And then we're going to select all objects. Let's align them together. So I'm going to do Edit, Center Horizontally, and then I'm going to highlight all objects, and we're going to do Slice. Now we're going to delete the shape, and then we're going to delete the excess. And then it looks like there's a line here too, so we're going to delete that as well. Now we have a image that has rounded corners. Now let's save our work so we can proceed with the cut. Okay, now the paper that we're going to use, they're flexible magnetic sheets, 8.5 by 11 inches. So I got it from Amazon. This is what it looks like on the cover of the packaging. So it's 16 mils thickness. So we're going to send it to our printer. Going to do next. The printer I'm using is the Epson EcoTank. We're going to add bleed. So I'm using a Mac, and the media and quality, we're going to change it to photo glossy. Photo glossy paper, quality is best. And then we're going to go ahead and print. If you're using Windows, it might be a little bit different. And then it's printing out now. So basically we're just printing it on the white side of the magnetic sheet. Also, I looked it up, so 16 mils is equivalent to about 0.4 millimeters. And that means we should adjust our settings. So I'm going to go to Browse All Materials. I'm going to go Material Settings. I'm going to Magnetic Sheet, 0.5 millimeter. So I'm just going to reduce the number of passes. Since we don't have 0.5, we have a 0.4 magnetic sheet. I'm just going to go 3 passes to do the trick instead of 5. So now we can go ahead and save it, press done. We're going to select our magnetic sheet, 0.5 millimeter. Then we're going to prep our material here. We're going to load it onto our mat. So I'm just using a 12 by 12 mat. And then we are going to load it on our machine. Alright, once it's done cutting, we can unload our mat. We can peel off our material. And we are good to go. So it's a very thin, flexible refrigerator magnet. Nothing too fancy. Let's put it on our refrigerator. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.